Kuhn here from Motion Beyond Subaru Sejalam, and today I'm going to show you how to set the memory height feature for your power tailgate on your Subaru Forester, Subaru Outback and the other Subaru models that come with the memory height feature. Now let me show you where the button is. Alright, so you come here. Okay. So you see this button here? Okay, it has written memory on it with an arrow moving up and down, and do you see a white line on top of the button? That means the memory height feature is off. If you were to turn it on, press it in, the white line goes away. Turn off, the white line comes back. So this is the memory height button. Okay, so now how do you set the memory height feature? First of all, make sure that the memory height button is turned off. Come to the rear of your car, open your power tailgate as usual. Make sure it opens all the way up. Right? Now you head back to your memory height button. So now the white line is there, memory height button is off. Turn it on. Okay. Now that you have turned on the memory height button, come back to the rear of your car and manually bring down the power tailgate to your desired height. So for example, if you have a low ceiling garage, or if you're carrying any load with excessive length, you may want to keep the power tailgate open a little. Okay, just bring it down to your desired height, and look at this button here, the button to close the power tailgate. Press and hold it, and you'll hear a beep. Now the memory height has been set, and close it as usual. So the memory height has been set for the power tailgate, and if you were to open it again, it would come back up to the height that you had set previously, which is this height. And if you were to close it as usual. So this is how you set the memory height on your Subaru. So my name is Kuhn. Please like, subscribe, comment, share to my videos so that I can do more videos explaining more features about Subaru. Thank you.